National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fulton County, southeastern Knox County, southwestern Peoria County until 4:30 a.m. At 4:01 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over London Mills, or 13 miles northwest of Canton, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Lewistown, Farmington, Cuba, Glassford, St. David, Fairview, London Mills, McQuon, Dunfermline, Bryant, Norris, Banner, Ellisville, Little America, Fayette, and Middle Grove.